assemblies. Every light bulb begins with sand. These three simple minerals, silica, soda ash, and limestone,
The glass furnace operates continuously for years without shutdown. Its refractory walls must withstand 1,500.
Tungsten has the highest melting point of any metal, 3,422 degrees. This makes it the only practical material for incandescent lamp filaments. Tungsten wire for lamp filaments is drawn to diameters as small as 20 microns, 1/5 the thickness of a human hair. The glass stem is a precision assembly that positions the filament in the exact center of the bulb and provides the hermetic electrical feed-through from base to filament. Molybdenum support wires hold the filament in its designed position, preventing sag and vibration that would cause premature failure and uneven light distribution.
Inert gas filling extends filament life by suppressing tungsten evaporation. Without gas fill, the filament would evaporate and blacken the bulb within hours.
The ribbon machine is one of the fastest glass-forming processes in existence, producing over 2,000 glass bulb envelopes. Each mold opens and closes hundreds of times per hour, inflating a perfect bulb shape from the hot glass ribbon in less than 1 second. Every glass envelope must be perfectly clear and free of flaws. Bubbles or stones in the glass would create dangerous hot spots. Interior acid frosting creates millions of microscopic pits that scatter light evenly, eliminating the harsh glare of a visible filament while maintaining high light output. Neck forming creates the precise geometry where the glass stem will be sealed inside the bulb, forming the hermetic enclosure that contains the inert gas atmosphere. Beyond the standard pear shape, the factory produces dozens of specialty bulb shapes, including candle flames, globes, tubes, and parabolic reflectors. Filament coiling transforms straight tungsten wire into a compact coil that concentrates the hot zone, increasing operating temperature and light output efficiency. The coiled coil design packs more filament length into less space, achieving higher operating temperatures and greater luminous efficiency than a single coil. The molybdenum mandrel served only as a temporary forming core. Acid dissolving removes it completely, leaving a freestanding tungsten coil of microscopic precision. Here. This tiny coil of tungsten wire will operate at 2,700 degrees Celsius for over 1,000 hours, converting electrical energy. Glass-to-metal sealing creates the hermetic feed-through that brings electrical current into the bulb while maintaining the gas-tight enclosure. The mount assembly positions the filament in the exact optical center of the bulb. Precise positioning ensures uniform light distribution in all directions. Test illumination confirms the filament lights evenly along its entire length. Any dark spots or hot spots indicate coiling defects that would cause premature failure. Sealing is the critical moment where the bulb envelope and mount assembly become one unified glass structure, creating the hermetic enclosure that will contain the filament atmosphere. The exhaust tube remains open after sealing, providing the pathway to remove all air and replace it with the inert gas atmosphere that protects the filament. Evacuation removes all oxygen and moisture that would instantly destroy the tungsten filament at operating temperature. The vacuum is then broken with ultra-pure inert gas. The exhaust tube is flame-sealed under positive gas pressure, creating a permanent hermetic enclosure. The tiny sealed pip remains visible on the finished bulb. Casing cement bonds the metal base to the glass with a joint that must withstand the thermal cycling of thousands of on-off switching cycles without cracking.
The crimped and soldered base provides both mechanical attachment and reliable electrical connection from the external circuit to the internal filament.
The Edison screw base, invented over 140 years ago, remains the world standard for lamp connection. Its threading has not changed since 1880. The sealed, gas-filled, and based light bulb is now a complete functional lamp. Only electrical testing remains before it can be packaged for the consumer. First light testing illuminates every lamp and measures its voltage, current, power, and light output in milliseconds to verify it meets the performance specification.
Light output measurement ensures every lamp delivers the promised lumens. A 60-watt standard lamp must produce at least 800 lumens of warm white light.
Color temperature determines the visual warmth of the light. Incandescent lamps naturally produce warm light at 2700 Kelvin, matching firelight and sunset. Life testing operates lamps to destruction, measuring actual lifetime hours. This data verifies the published rated life and identifies any process change that affects longevity. Switching tests simulate real consumer use patterns. Frequent on-off cycling thermally stresses the filament and glass-to-metal seals more severely than continuous operation. Vibration resistance ensures lamps survive rough handling during transportation and installation without filament damage or glass cracking. Human visual inspection catches cosmetic defects that automated systems may miss. The lamp must look perfect because it is a visible consumer product on display in homes. The photometry lab measures every aspect of the lamp's light output: total lumens, color rendering, spectral radiations. The continuous spectrum of incandescent light contains all colors of the rainbow, giving it a color rendering index of 100 TeF. Energy efficiency labeling requires accurate measurement of luminous efficacy. Standard incandescent lamps achieve approximately 15 lumens per watt. Base temperature must not exceed the safety standard limit during normal operation. Excessive base heat could damage lamp sockets and create fire risk. Mercury content in fluorescent lamps is strictly regulated. Each lamp must contain the minimum effective dose to comply with environmental regulations. LED lamp electronics must not generate electromagnetic interference that could affect nearby radio, television, or wireless communication equipment. The retained samples library provides a complete production history. Any customer complaint can be traced back to the exact production batch and tested against retained samples. Monthly quality reviews identify trends and improvement opportunities. Every data point contributes to making better, more reliable lamps for shipment. Consumer packaging protects the fragile glass bulb during handling and provides the product information, wattage rating, and brand identity that drives purchase decisions.
Each carton is sealed in a way that provides tamper evidence while remaining easy for consumers to open without tools. Unlike the past, LED packaging emphasizes energy savings, long life, and light quality. The packaging must communicate barcode accuracy is essential for retail supply chain management. Incorrect codes would cause scanning failures at checkout and inventory tracking errors. Case packing groups retail-ready lamp cartons into shipping containers. Each case contains a verified exact count to prevent retail inventory discrepancies. Fragile handling markings are critical for glass lamp products. Rough handling during shipping causes breakage losses that increase costs throughout the supply chain. Complete shipping documentation accompanies every pallet to enable accurate inventory receiving at distribution centers and retail stores. Modern LED lamps combine semiconductor light-emitting diodes with phosphor conversion to produce warm white light at 5 times the efficiency of incandescent technology.
Phosphor conversion transforms the narrow blue LED emission into broadband warm white light by absorbing blue photons and re-emitting them as yellow.
An LED lamp module integrates light sources, electronics, and thermal management into a single component that fits into the existing lamp form factor. Thermal management is critical for LED longevity. Operating temperature directly determines the LED chip's lifetime, which can exceed 25,000 hours with proper cooling. The LED lamp replicates the familiar incandescent shape and light distribution while consuming only 10 watts to produce the same light as a 60-watt incandescent.
LED aging tests verify lumen maintenance over time. A quality LED lamp should retain 90% of its
dimmer compatibility is one of the most challenging LED lamp requirements. The driver electronics must work correctly with all existing dimmer technologies. Torrents. The LED lamp range covers every application, from accent lighting to general illumination, to optimized for its engines. The distribution warehouse holds millions of individual lamps, instantly available to fulfill orders from retailers. Mixed product picking assembles diverse lamp assortments for retail stores that stock dozens of different bulb types and wattages. Glass product handling requires extra care at every stage. Breakage during warehousing and distribution directly increases cost and reduces customer satisfaction. Seasonal demand patterns require months of advance inventory building. The factory increases production months before the autumn demand peak.
Every return lamp is investigated. The failure mode provides valuable feedback that drives manufacturing process improvements.
Real-time inventory visibility enables precise production planning and ensures retail customers can always find their preferred lamp products in stock. Every morning, trucks carry millions of light sources into the community, providing the illumination that extends human activity beyond the setting sun. The control room oversees the entire factory operation, from raw glass melting through finished lamp packaging, tracking tooling precision determines product quality.
Worn molds produce out-of-specification glass, and worn dies produce imprecise metal components. Cross-section analysis reveals the quality of internal assembly, glass sealing, and filament positioning that cannot be verified by external inspection alone.
Production status is green, but monitor the calibration on the K12 unit. Roger that. Are the quality alerts clear?
Yes, we cleared the last batch 30 minutes ago.
Research and development drives the continuous evolution from incandescent to LED to smart lighting, each generation delivering more light from less energy.
Glassworking skills are passed from experienced operators to new team members. The combination of automated machinery and human expertise produces consistent quality.
Environmental responsibility drives continuous improvement in energy efficiency, waste reduction, and responsible materials sourcing. Glass forming is both science and art. Experienced operators develop an intuitive understanding of how the molten glass behaves under different conditions. The people who make light bulbs are the factory's most valuable asset. Their skill, dedication, and safety discipline make every lamp possible. The glass furnace never stops. Its 12-year continuous operation campaign means the factory produces lamps 24 hours a day without interruption.
Narrates. The night shift furnace operator is responsible for maintaining the precise glass temperature there that produces perfectly formed bulbs.
Automated filament production runs continuously, accumulating the vast numbers of precision coils consumed by the high-speed assembly lines each day. Night maintenance maximizes equipment availability during peak daytime production hours, performing work on secondary systems without affecting output. The energy-intensive glass furnace benefits from lower overnight electricity tariffs. One reason continuous operation is both technically and economically necessary. From a grain of sand to a beam of light, the light bulb factory transforms Earth's most common mineral into humanity's most transformative invention. At this temperature, tungsten atoms vibrate with such energy that they emit photons across the entire visible spectrum. The purest, the light bulb's greatest achievement is invisible. The warmth, comfort, and safety it brings to every home it illuminates. Look at any city at night and you see the factory's true output. Not glass and tungsten, but civilization itself extended beyond the setting sun.
From sand to light, from darkness to vision, 24 hours a day, this factory
For over a century, factories like this have lit the world. From Edison's first commercial lamp to today's LEDs.
From filament to city, the light bulb, simple, reliable, transformative, born from sand, metal, the gift of light. Sand, tungsten, and human ingenuity.